Hello, kids! Thank you for joining me again. Are you ready to learn more? That's wonderful! We learned vowels before, but it's important to learn other letters that go with those vowels. Does anyone know what those particular letters are called? I always love your answers. And it's perfectly okay if you don't know, because that's why we're here, to learn. The other letters are called consonants. There are 21, which includes the Y, which we spoke about before, that sometimes the Y is included with vowels. Consonant sounds are made by blocking air using your teeth, tongue, or lips. Now let's get started. The letter B. The letter C. The letter D. The letter F. The letter G. The letter H. The letter J. The letter K. The letter L. The letter M. The letter N. The letter P. The letter Q. The letter R. The letter S. The letter T. The letter V. The letter W. The letter X. The letter Y. The letter Z. Once again, it was so much fun learning consonants. Let's do it again in the future. If you're new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Little Kids Heart of Learning. Until we meet again, keep being incredibly awesome.